Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation 4 to the power x minus 3 equal to x. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. If we look at the graph of this equation, this blue line of 4 to the power x minus 3 intersects this red line, that is of x, at 2 points, at this point and at this point. It means that this equation has two solutions. Now let's find those two solutions. By using this property, a to the power m minus n equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We can rewrite this expression 4 to the power x minus 3 as 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power 3 is equal to x. Next, 4 to the power x divided by this 4 cubed will become 64 equal to x. Next, this 4 to the power x over 64 can be written as 4 to the power x times 1 over 64 equal to x. From here we divide both sides by 4 to the power x. So this 4 to the power x will be cancelled out with this 4 to the power x, and at left hand side we are left with 1 over 64 equal to this x over 4 to the power x can be written as x times 4 to the power negative x. We can rewrite this expression as x times 4 to the power negative x equal to 1 over 64. Now we make this left hand side suitable for using Lambert W function. So we multiply both sides by -1. At right hand side we multiply by -1. This -1 times x will become negative x times 4 to the power negative x equal to 1 over 64 times -1 will become negative 1 over 64. To use Lambert W function here, we must have e in this expression, as Lambert W function is equal to W function of a times e to the power a equal to a. So to bring e in this expression, we use this property, e to the power ln of a equal to a. So we can write this 4 as e to the power ln of 4. So this will become negative x times e to the power ln of 4 whole to the power this power negative x equal to negative 1 over 64. Next, negative x times this will become e to the power negative x times ln of 4 equal to negative 1 over 64. Since in the exponent we have negative x times ln of 4, so we multiply both sides by ln of 4. At right hand side we multiply by ln of 4. So this will become negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4 equal to this will become negative ln of 4 times 1 over 64. Let's call this equation star, because we found two solutions from this equation. For the first solution we take Lambert W function of both sides. So this will become W function of negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4 is equal to Lambert W function of negative ln of 4 times 1 over 64. Now lambda w function of this expression is equal to negative x times ln of 4 equal to lambda w function of negative ln of 4 times 1 over 64. We divide both sides by negative ln of 4. We get x is equal to w function of negative ln of 4 times 1 over 64 divided by negative ln of 4, and this is approximately equal to 0.0159. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. To find the second solution, we continue from this star equation. So we copy this star equation below. Star equation is negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4 is equal to negative ln of 4 times 1 over 64. This left hand side is suitable for using lambda w function. We just work on this right hand side and make this right side suitable for using lambda w function. So we can rewrite this expression as negative ln of 4 times we multiply and divide this expression by 4. So this will become 4 divided by 4 times this 1 over 64. Next, negative ln of 4 times this will become 4 times 1 over 64 times 4 will become 256. And at left hand side we have this expression negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4. Now we continue working on this right hand side. We can write this negative ln of 4 times 4 as negative 4 times ln of 4 times this expression 1 over 256. Next, by using this natural log property, m times ln of a equal to ln of a to the power m. This negative 4 times ln of 4 can be written as ln of 4 to the power negative 4 times 1 over 256. Next, this is same as ln of 1 over 4 to the power 4 times 1 over 256. At left hand side we have this expression negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4. Next, ln of 1 over 4 to the power 4 will become 1 over 256 times 1 over 256. Now to use lambda w function, that is w function of a times e to the power a is equal to a. We must have e in this expression. So to bring e in this expression, we use this natural log property e to the power ln of a equal to a. So we can rewrite this expression as ln of 1 over 256 times this 1 over 256 is same as e to the power ln of 1 over 256. At left hand side we have this expression negative x times ln of 4 times e to the power negative x times ln of 4. Now we have both sides suitable for lambda w function, so we apply lambda w function on both sides. Lambda w function of this expression is equal to negative x times ln of 4, and lambda w function of this expression is equal to ln of 1 over 256. Now this 1 over 256 is same as 1 over 4 to the power 4, and this is equal to 4 to the power negative 4. So this will become negative x times ln of 4 equal to ln of 4 to the power negative 4. By using this property, ln of a to the power m is equal to m times ln of a. This will become negative x times ln of 4 equal to negative 4 times ln of 4. And from here we divide both sides by negative ln of 4. At right hand side we divide by negative ln of 4. So this negative ln of 4 will be cancelled out with this negative ln of 4, and this negative ln of 4 will be cancelled out with this negative ln of 4, and we are left with x is equal to 4. This is the second value of x. This is the second solution for this equation. And first we found that x1 is equal to 0.0159. So we have two solutions for this exponential equation. This is the final answer of this problem.